welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Vegetable pulao is very common in many of our homes. But today I'm going to show you all a very different kind of pulao recipe. It is Andhra Style Vegetable Pulao wherein a lot of spices and condiments are used to bring a nice flavor to the dish. The flavor of this pulao is good and distinct. So let's get started and check out this delicious Andhra Style Veg Pulao. For the vegetable pulao, I have kept all the ingredients ready here. So first for the masala paste, take a small piece of cinnamon in a mixer jar. To this add 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 kapok bud that is Marathi muggu, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 2 pieces of maize, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns and 2 small pieces of stone flour. This is all with the spices. Next add 1 piece of ginger roughly chopped, 3 garlic cloves, a piece of fresh coconut finely chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato roughly cut up, just a small amount of coriander leaves and mint leaves. That's all, and you first have to grind these ingredients without adding any water to the mixer jar. For this to become a fine paste, I'm adding some water to the jar to grind it again. So now the masala paste for the rice is ready. It's nice, smooth and fine. This is the consistency it has to be in. Keep this aside. Take a deep pot, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add 1 bay leaf and about 15 whole cashew nuts. Roast these ingredients until the cashew nuts are golden brown in color. Once done, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Add 3 slit green chilies. Saute until the onions are slightly golden in color. At this point, add 1 potato nicely cut up. I'm adding potatoes first because this is the only vegetable that takes a lot of time to cook. After 2 minutes, add a bowl of cauliflowers and mix. It will be nice if the florets are medium size and not too big. Now add 1 cup of carrot, a bowl of cut up beans, a bowl of fresh peas and mix well. Now for these veggies to cook well and faster, I'm adding a teaspoon of rock salt. You can also use a regular table salt if you don't have rock salt with you. Give it all a quick mix. Now just add about 1 tablespoon of water to let the vegetables cook. Mix well and cover the pot with the lid. Cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, you can see that the vegetables have softened up after steam cooking. That's why you should never pour more water because they can get mushy. At this stage, I'm adding the masala paste that's already ground. Mix the masala with vegetables and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low flame. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice and I've soaked it in water for about 30 minutes. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Strain off the excess water and add the soaked rice alone to the pot. Gently mix the soaked rice along with the masala and make sure that the rice grains do not break. So you have to be a bit careful while mixing this. After the masala coats all the rice grains, add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice with the same 250 ml measuring cup. Gently mix everything after you pour the water. At this point, you can check for seasoning and add salt if required. This needs a little more salt, so I'm just adjusting it. Mix it all again and cover the pot with the lid. Keep the flame on low and cook the pulao for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see that the pulao is perfectly cooked. I'm getting a wonderful aroma due to all the spices I have used for the masala paste. The rice is also really fluffy. Now after 15 minutes, turn off the stove and let it sit on dum for the remaining heat in the pot. That's it. This Andhra Style Vegetable Pulao is ready to be served nice and hot. You can enjoy this with onion raita, salan or with some nice bundi raita by the side. I'll give you a couple of links to the other biryani and pulao recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Wow, that pulao looks absolutely amazing and let me tell you, it tastes fantastic. And for all those lovely spice lovers, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. And if you have any special get-togethers or parties or special occasions, this is something you can definitely try and everybody will love it. I have served it with raita, but you can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.